Also developing this morning, accused killer Markeith Loyd is now just hours away from being back before a judge, and it's the first time he'll be in court since being formally indicted on charges of killing his pregnant ex-girlfriend and Orlando Police Lieutenant Deborah Clayton. Mark Lehman is live at the courthouse this morning. What can we expect in the arraignment today?
Well, Bridget, from a legal perspective, it should be pretty cut and dry. The judge will read the charges and Markeith Loyd will get a chance to enter his plea. But considering Loyd's history, legal experts say things may not be that simple.
While accused cop killer Markeith Loyd has appeared before a judge several times since his arrest, today is the first time he'll be formally presented with nearly a dozen charges in the killing of his ex-girlfriend Sade Dixon and Orlando Police Lieutenant Deborah Clayton.
This is not a normal case because what you've got is a guy who's going to represent himself.
And because of that, News 6 legal analyst Stephen Kramer says when Loyd walks into court this morning, we can expect fireworks.
When Markeith Loyd gets into court, he talks and he curses and he's got attitude, and we're going to see more of this type of behavior.
Last month, the judge ruled Loyd was competent to waive his right to counsel despite previous outbursts in front of a judge. But the decision to appoint an attorney is also something that could change at a moment's notice.
Maybe Markeith Loyd will defend himself, but he'll have somebody that has legal experience to advise him and to help him through that process. And the judge wants that, and the court wants that, and frankly, everybody wants that.
And today's arraignment is scheduled for 10 this morning. We will be in that courtroom and live streaming everything on clickorlando.com. In the meantime, we're going through the recent jail visits Markeith Loyd has had since his arrest last month. I'll have more on that coming up in my next report at 6:30. Kirsten.